morning children, myself Anil sir, and we are here at the e-learning platform of St. Michael's Academy, Chhauni Betia. So this is class 7th. Class 7th, unit 3 or chapter 3, homesickness, written by Ronald Dahl. Homesickness, it is an abstract noun word. So let us see the text. I was homesick during the whole of my first term at St. Peter's. Homesickness is a bit like seasickness. You don't know how awful it is till you get it, and when you do, it hits you right in the top of the stomach and you want to die. The only comfort is that both homesickness and seasickness are instantly curable. The first goes away the moment you walk out of the school grounds, and the second is forgotten as soon as the ship enters port. So, this story is written in the first person account. First person account means everywhere it is the author addresses himself as I. So, I means the author, not the real author, but I means the main character, who is boy here. So, it is written in first person account, we can say. I was sick during the whole of my first term at St. Peter's. So, St. Peter's is a school. Let us see the background or the meaning of that. St. Peter's is a school, and in that school, the boy was admitted. Certainly, it is a boarding school. He has to remain there, do his schooling, and not coming home frequently. So, it was a boarding school, St. Peter's, and there he was admitted. And he is saying, homesickness is a bit like seasickness. So, homesickness and seasickness and both gives you pain in the beginning, but both are curable. The first goes with the moment you walk out of the school grounds. It means so long as you are in the school campus, you feel disturbed, you feel uncomfortable. And the moment you are out of that campus, you feel relaxed, and your entire anxiety and disturbance goes vanished. In the same way, seasickness is forgotten as soon as the ship enters port. So, if you are boarding a ship, traveling by ship, then you are full of fears. What will happen to that ship? Sometimes you are afraid of the oceans or seas, and you are full of anxiety. But this is overcome when you are out of the ship or when you reach your destination. So, this paragraph is all about. I was so terribly homesick during my first 2 weeks that I set about making a plan for getting myself sent back home, even if it were for only a few days. My idea was that I should all of a sudden develop an attack of acute appendicitis. See the meaning. So, I was so terribly homesick during my first 2 weeks. So, the boy was admitted in that boarding school for 2 weeks only. He had spent 2 weeks only, and during that time he was facing a lot of problems because of homesickness. So, he is making a plan. I set about making a plan for getting myself sent back home, even for only a few days. So, the boy is setting a plan that I should be sent home back. So, my idea was that I should all of a sudden develop an attack of acute appendix. And his plan was that he would complain about appendix. So, appendix is an illness which gives you acute pain. So let us see what happens. You will probably think it silly that a 9-year-old boy imagines that he could get away with a trick like that. I had sound reasons for trying it. So the boy is 9 years old. The boy is 9 years old, and why he is planning of having an attack of appendix, it has some reasoning. What is that reasoning? What is the reason? Let us see. Only a month before, my elder sister had acutely had appendicitis, and for several days before her operation, I was able to observe her behavior at close quarters. I noticed that the thing she complained about most was the pain down in the lower right side of her tummy. And as she kept being sick and refused to eat and ran a temperature. So the boy is fully aware of the systems of appendix, that due to appendix what happens, where it is paining, what other features take place during that. And he has knowledge about that because his elder sister had actually such illness, such appendicitis. And so the boy has absorbed the behavior of his sister, the medical operation, actual operation, and during what was happening there. So he knows better that the appendixes causes a pain in the stomach first thing, and there is unwillingness to eat something, and the temperature is high during that time. So the boy is aware of all the symptoms or what happens or how a patient suffers from the real appendicitis. You might, by the way, be interested to know that this sister had her appendix removed not in fine hospital operating room, feet of bright lights and ground nurses, but on our own nursery at home by the local doctor and his anesthetist. In those days, it was a common practice for a doctor to arrive at your house with a bag of instruments, then drape a clean sheet over the most convenient table and get on with it. So the boy is also aware of the fact that there is no need of going to a good hospital, and the so-called operation of appendicitis can be performed remaining at home only. A doctor will come and he will do the needful. So no need to go to the hospital or get admitted there. So we will do here only up to this paragraph. Then drape a clean sheet over the most convenient table and get on it. So in this starting paragraph of the lesson, we see that it is a problem with a boy, or the boy is suffering from homesickness. Homesickness is a situation when, if you are out of your home, you feel that everything is uncomfortable with you. You feel nervous, you feel anxious, you feel disturbed, like that. Although you are getting all the things, all the necessary requirement, but still you feel that something is wrong with me, something is wrong with me. So that situation is called homesickness. So the boy who is a 9-year-old here is admitted to a boarding school and he is suffering from homesickness, no problem. It is a fact. And he sets out a plan how he can be sent back to the home. And for that he plans that he will pretend to be an he will pretend that he is suffering from appendicitis. And why he has chosen that illness? Because he knows, the boy knows that what are the symptoms and what happens, what should be done in the name of appendicitis. So in this video we are dealing with here this paragraph only, paragraph 4 only. So till then, thank you.